Dr. Deepa. Everybody please give a huge round of applause. Multiple other hospitals in Mumbai. Dr. Sejos will be Integrated Association of Health and Rehabilitation. It's an organization committed to providing high quality learning experience, symposiums.
दिमाग में तुम्हें लॉक हो गया ये फीमर फ्रैक्चर ही कॉज है और ये पैर 1.2 सेंटीमीटर छोटा है इसलिए ये नहीं चल रहा उसको ये समझ ही नहीं रहा है कि ये 50,000 की जो जेनेटिक रिपोर्ट कराई है
Consensus was like if patient has back pain or if he has lumbar disc or if he has any spine problem, he should be in bed rest. A lot of doctors advise the patient to be in bed rest for 1 month and 2 months. And then patients come out of stiffness and other problems and all, a lot of DVTs and all. So we have to encourage the patient to return to work and return to activity very soon.
I am a McKenzie therapist, so I evaluate accordingly. There are biased exercise, flexion bias, extension bias, that actually helps in acute cases also.
Muscular and ligamentous pain are the most common. They are the most common and they will never be picked up on a scan. So always listen to the patient. If the patient has a very long history of fleeting pain, changing pains, the pain sometimes is in the large group muscle groups.
Whole piece, not in a piece view. So you want to give the whole disc should come out 80 cm. See, now I am here. This is the disc. Can you see? The disc has come out, so the compression part is removed. Now with the
कहाँ जाएगा? Just 1 mm here and there and the root of the neuron. इतना बड़ा खड्डा है तो फिर मैं ऐसा नहीं मतलब मेरे को पता चल जाता है कि इतना बड़ा सूज है. That's how.
These are near to the neural structure. अगर आप नीचे का इंटीरियर जो वॉल है अगर ब्रेक हो इंटैक्ट so that they are not touching any of the neural structure. So once you have seen कि बाबा हाँ ठीक है then you
Or there are major risks. There's a lot of risk involved which is life. In these 2 cases I will intervene with. These are good phases where patient is
over the nerve, it gets reduced after 6 weeks. So within that period, we should not give any kind of range of motion exercises.
एक ही सीक्वेंस करना क्या करोगे? तो आई डू T2. If you ask me दो सीक्वेंसेस क्या करोगे? तो I would say T1 and T2 because
And then that is the reason why if the diameter is 11 millimeters, it might be compressive. If diameter is 60 millimeters, it might not compressive.
I missed that